Hi everyone, welcome to Savi channel. Welcome to Python Application Programming Professional Elective 18 EC 646. In the previous video, we have saw how to use a strings and how to use a strings with in operator with examples, and also we have saw for loop operation with Python coding and for loop operation while loop operation with Python coding with the strings. Okay, so in today's class, let's see how strings can be slicing. How the strings can be sliced. A new topic. Uh, so here you can see the topic is slicing a string. The first point says that we can also look at any continuous section of a string. Okay, any continuous section of a string using a colon operator. So here the main operator which we are using is colon. Okay, so colon is an operator which is used to check the sentences in a breakwise, or we can continuously monitor the particular data. The second number is 1 beyond the end of the slicing. Okay, the second number is the 1 beyond the end of the slicing. Means there will be a numbering system with a colon. So initially we have to start with the 0 if it in case required, or else we can start with any of the number. Okay, so you should know before that what is the length of that particular uh, sentences, or it may be the word. So based on that you can give a range. Basically you can give a range. Starting range start from 0, that is already we know that it is an index value, colon, till up to 4. Okay, so you can see in this example I have stored Monty Python. Okay, Monty. So it starts from 0, ends with the 4 here, that is Monty, and giving a space here, and 6th onwards to 11th onward the Python will be storing. So how to extract only Monty, or how to extract only Python, or how to extract only within this particular keyword, okay, let's see that one how to do. So s equals Monty Python. Okay, s equals Monty Python including space here, then print s within a square bracket 0 to 4. Okay, so starts from a 0 indexing value and ends with a 4. So how much range you have given? Okay, 0 to 4. Okay, so basically what happens, it ends at the 3 because a 4 value is a constant value which we are giving here. 0, 1, 2 and a 3. Totally how much happened? 4. So MONT will be printed on your console. Same wise, print s of 6 colon 7. S of 6 colon 7. So from this to this, only P is there, that will be printed. So same wise, print of 6 colon to 20, because 20 it is not there, but still I giving a beyond the range of the word. Okay, but still what it will print? Python, and rest of all the space will be printed, but it is not visible for the user. Okay, I hope you are understood what is how the colon can be used here, and how the starting number and ending number we have to give. Let's try this one in your Python ideally. Okay, open your Python ideally. Open your ideally. So what I'll do, same example I will try here. S equals S equals Monty space Python. Then what I do, print of S within a square bracket 0 colon 4, close the bracket. So you can see the result Monty. So same wise, print, I can give some other value now. S of 1 to 4, 1 colon 4. So you can see ONT. You can see ONT. Okay. Same wise, I can print of yes, giving a range of 6 colon 9. 6 colon 9. So you can see P, Y and T. 3 values will be displayed. Same wise, the last print of yes 6 to 20, because up to 20 there is no value here, but still I'll give. Let's see what is the outcome of this particular operator. Okay, Python will be displayed. So this is how you can try in your Python ideally and check for different datas or data strings. Okay, I hope you will also try this one in your console. So coming back to the PPT now, same ways, if we leave off the first number, understand properly, if we leave off the first number or the last number of a slice, it is assumed to be the beginning or ending of the string respectively. This is also key point you have to note down. If we leave off the first number or the last number of the slice, it is assumed to be the beginning or end of the string respectively. So let's see the example now. Let's see the example. So here, as usual, Monty Python will be stored. S equals Monty Python. Print S within a square bracket colon 2. Okay, so only two values has to be displayed. Only two values has to be displayed. So starting number I have not given in this particular place, just colon 2 have printed or typed. Okay, so automatically it will always start with the index number 0 and up to 2 have given here. So M and O will be displayed. Same wise, print S of 8 colon 8 colon. Okay, so from 8th position to the colon. Okay, so 8th position is what? Here. 8th position is here. From here onwards, because ending point I have not given. Ending point I have not given here. So THON will be printed. THON will be printed. Same wise, the last example, print S of with only colon. Print S of with a colon. Okay, what will be displayed? Because starting number and ending number, nothing has specified. Nothing has specified. So whatever you typed in that particular variable, same thing it will be displayed on your console. So this is how you can leave the starting number or ending number based on the string it will going to print on your terminal. Okay, let's try this also in your practically. You can see here with the same data, I showcase print yes print yes of colon 2. What is the output you getting? MO. So print of yes, okay, with 8. Let me take 7 now. 7 colon. So YPHON. So you can see in the PPT, it starts on Y, that is position 7 up to end. Okay. Same wise, last one, print of yes with only colon. So you can see Python, Monty, Python full string will be displayed. So this is how the slicing in a string can be formed. Okay. So you can put any of the sentences, any of the keywords for your practicing, and try to give a different ranges. Try to give a different ranges so that you can understand how the slicing strings can be done. Okay. Once again, come back to the PPT. Okay, so I hope you have understood the slicing method here. Uh, yeah. So the next subtopic is string concatenation. As already we have tried this one with a lot of example concatenation. Still, I can give a example here. String concatenation means you are cascading. You are cascading cascading two words. Okay, it may be sentences also sometimes if you need it. Okay, so to do the cascading of two words or two sentences, the operator we use is plus. The operator we use is plus. So what is the point says that when the plus operator is applied to the string, when the plus operator is applied to the string, it means that it is a concatenation. Okay, so here same example here I'm going to show you. A equals hello, B equals A plus there, B equals A plus there. So what happens here? Whenever I start to print, whenever I start to print B here, what happens? So A value is hello, and the constant data or direct data, whatever your direct string, whatever you are putting here, it is there. So both will be added and it is going to printed on your console. This is your output. This is your output. Same way, another example. This is your example 1. Example 1. So example 2. Example 2. So C equals A plus with the brackets, with the quotes, space plus there. So what happens here? In between the two words, I supposed to give a space, because in the previous example there is no space, nothing. Just you have added the two words here, hello and there. Okay. It is going to printed in a continuous form, but I want to give a space in between these two. So how to do that? C equals A plus with a quotes of space plus there, then print C. What happens here? Hello space there. Okay, so this is how the string concatenation can be used in a different methods, so let's try this also in your Python tool. Okay, yeah, let's take a value equals hello. then b equals a plus svit. Then what I'm going to do, just print my b value here. Just I print my b value here. So it is printing hello svit. So same wise, I want to give a space between hello and svit. How to do that one? C equals a plus within a quotes of space plus svit. Okay. Then print of c. Print of c. So you can see a space between hello space svit. So this is how you can have a concatenation in a different ways. In a different ways you can perform. And also in the previous topic, in previous video, I have showed you how you can convert your numbers to the string, and you can perform an addition operation, or it may be any of the arithmetic operations you can perform. I hope you have understood this example. Coming back to the PPT. So here is one of the example. Next subtopic is using in as an operator. That also we have a lot of examples in the previous videos. Still, once again we'll repeat so that it will be repeated or you can understand properly. Using in as an operator. The in keyword can also be used to check. Use it to check to see if one string in another string, if one string is in another string. Okay, the in expression is an logical expression. In expression is a logical expression and turns or gives a return in the form of true or false. So it leads the output in the form of either true or it may be false. Either it may be true or it may be false, and it can be used in an if statement. It can also be used in a if statement. So let's see the example now. Fruit equals banana. Fruit equals banana. N in fruit, because I am going to give a input here. N is a input, and where exactly I am checking? In the fruit variable. Okay, this is a variable here, fruit, which shows the banana as a word. Okay, so N in fruit, so returns the output as a true because N is there in the banana. Suppose second example, yum in fruit. So you can see there is no yum word or a character in your banana. So what is the return of the output? It returns as a false. N-A-N in a fruit. Yes, it returns as a true because N-A-N is there. N-A-N is already, it is there, these three. Okay, so that it returns as a true. Then this is how direct method which you are using without statements. Now we are going to have a example like uh, if a in fruit, if a in fruit, yeah, it's there already, it's just checking here. Print found it. Print found it. Okay, so a 1 2 3, so 3 times it will be there in here. That's why it will print as a found it. So this is how an in operator can be used. I hope you have understood today's class, and I hoping that you are also going to try this one. Thank you for listening.